So, I'm gonna do a little beer drinking and cigarette smoke video. Just a moment, I need to get my ashtray, hold on. I'm back. I took my hat off because it was kind of annoying. I mean, I like the hat, but it just, I mean, I think it's cute and all, but just the ponytail is making it sit weird. I'll leave it like that. So actually, I'm waiting for Shannon to get here with her kids. She's supposed to come, we're supposed to drink some beer. But in the meantime, I'm going to have one of these Yuengling premiums. I did get that rum, but I also got this for myself because I don't know why. Anyways, how's everyone been doing? Okay. I don't work today, so it's kind of like, why did I yawn? What is that? Did you see that? It's like a leaf or something? Yeah, so. I don't know what happened. That was weird. I think I'm going to, I don't know. I feel kind of weird making these like drinking and smoking videos on this channel because my dad like if I have a home video, I'm gonna post it on my personal YouTube channel, like home videos, like if I go on a trip or something, because if my parents ever look for it or try to show our relatives, I don't want them to stumble upon this channel seeing me smoking a cigarette and like drinking, you know what I'm saying? It's like, oh my gosh, that cat just jumped on my entertainment system, my entertainment thing, and every time she does that it moves, so I'm afraid one of these days it's just gonna break because she just keeps moving it and it's like tilting back and forth. Yeah, Marble, don't look at me. She's just looking. She just looked at something outside. I'm like, whoa, what's out there? I put one like that. I used to do that old school style. It's the good luck cigarette, I guess. I haven't did a smoking video in a while, so I bought this pack and Shannon's gonna split with me. She's paying me back though, because I bought this beer, I bought rum. She's bringing over food though, so maybe, you know, I'll get her to sit here and we could do a video. But in the meantime, let me smoke this cigarette. Oh, I forgot to open the window. Okay. So last night, you know, she wanted to come over, so she came over. And I made the drink, that mixed drink with that salted caramel soda I tried. Oh, my video's done. My soda review, hold on. Oh, I'm smoking a cigarette. I'm not going to tell you to hold on, but just bear with me while I upload this to YouTube. Because I'm about to upload my Pepsi review. Actually, let me just wait, because I don't know how my face looks when I'm looking at the camera. I mean, at the, you know, at whatever it is I'm looking at. YouTube uploading video. Last night we had these like hand-rolled cigarettes, which were kind of like dank, and Ham's beer. I tell you what, I am hungry. She better come up with this food. Oh, I'm gonna put lipstick on. Oh yeah, I'm supposed to. Oh, look at Marble back there. Viewer, if you're watching this, I know I'm supposed to make a video or stuff. Whatever. I will. It's my day off. This and that. That and this. So I have this. It's NYX, like a grayish color, but I'm not gonna wear that. My stomach is growling. I'm hungry. I have this. It's red. It's a red lip, but I'm not wearing that either. I want to wear like a pinkish color, but I have this. Here she comes. I see her. I see her. She's coming. She's bringing the kids up. Look. Let's see. Can I show you? Uh oh. Look. She's coming. She's coming.
I'm my doggy. I'm my doggy.
Shannan says, come here, say hi.
Hi.
Say hi.
Hi.
Does Shannan says an Enoch? Hi, Steve. Hi, Bebo. And little Celia's over there. Hi, Sheila. Come here. Here she is. She's the cute little one. Look. There she is. Celia. Yay. Aw, little family. And Shannan has to come here too. Let's take a picture. Hi, now everybody's here.
So here we are. Hello.
Alright, we're gonna make a drink too. Let me set this off for now.
Drink time.
Yeah. Okay, so she made me this dish. Oh, that's yep, and it's chicken stuffing. Yeah, just mute it. Yep. Okay, everybody's here. So I'm gonna eat this. It's a big plate though.
Whatever you eat.
Here, now, take this off.
Get your head out of the way, buddy.
Ooh, it's good.
Come over here.
Is this a chick? What is this?
That's just a regular small chicken. It's not the one that you have in the mirror. I put sage on the bottom of it in the Dutch oven. Come on, guys. Aunt Lori's making a video right now for her. Jen, wait until later. We'll make a video for you.
Yeah, we will. But it's
delicious.
Good. Yes, it is.
One thing I can do good.
Yes. Look at this. Good meal, macaroni and cheese, rice.
Stuffing. Chicken.
They're looking for baby.
What the? What?
Is it
And
good?
she has her drink.
Vanilla rice. Oh yes, my drink. Spice rum and Coca-Cola. It's pretty good, and that's what she said.
I got one too.
Delicious.
Yes, it is. Very good. Yum.
Thank you.
She makes it. She cooks really good.
Thank you. Like if you scroll somewhere on the page, long way, there's cooking a long time ago.
Yes, you have to look for it. But we have videos where we're cooking. Shannon's cooking.
Where's the frog?
This is so good though, and that drink is good too. the rum.
Deliciousness all over.
Good home cooked. They ate already.
Yeah, the kids already ate, but they'll probably eat again in a couple hours because that's how good it is.
I want cookies.
Let me try this rice.
The rice is really good.
Give me cookies.
Yellow rice.
Yep.
Oh,
this is so
saffron.
delicious.
Real saffron, not the.
Oh yeah, it has saffron in it.
Yep.
It's my turn.
The little piece of the flour.
That's
what it is. Right.
Definitely good.
I want Jammy Dog.
It's all good.
And if I can't eat this all tonight, I'm gonna save it and eat it later tomorrow.
Yeah, whatever you don't eat, if you can, I can just put more on your plate, and then you can have it for
Okay, yeah.
tomorrow for lunch.
There's definitely. I was like so hungry.
And then she also has cheddar and broccoli soup in the fridge. So over the next couple days, when she's cold, she can get toasty warm.
Yes.
And that's delicious chicken.
I love stuffing.
And the chicken's really moist, right? Even though it's heated in the microwave.
No, it's still really good.
I took some.
How'd you make it?
I made it in a Dutch oven. It's like basically like a not a regular roasting pan, it's a porcelain one with like a lid. And I knew we were going to be heating it in the microwave, and I didn't want it to get dried out.
Yeah.
So I scooped some of the fat and from the
Like
bottom
what you were saying
of the
yesterday.
some of the fat from the bottom of the Dutch oven and put it on top, so that when I heat in the microwave, it moistened the chicken.
Yeah,
From
that's a
getting
good
dried
tip
out.
to do. Use the fat and put it on the
Yep.
chicken.
If you're going to reheat it, keep the fat from the bottom of your pan. Say it was already cooled down. So then when you reheat in the microwave, it doesn't get dried out. Like usual. And then I also brought some drumsticks and wings too. So when you heat those, you can heat them in the oven. Anytime like you reheat drumsticks or wings, instead of heating them in the microwave or even fried chicken, instead of reheating it, you want it to stay crisp and good. So you could put it in the oven on like 250 to reheat it instead of the microwave. Keeps it from drying out, especially like if it's fried chicken or the skin is crisp. If you microwave it, it loses that crispness. So always better to reheat it in the oven.
True. What, 250 you said?
Yeah, 250. Leave it for longer. If you do it 300, it will dry it out. Anything higher than 250. So you keep it for 250, maybe for like 15, 20 minutes, and it's just as good as it was the day you made it. It doesn't get all, like I said, soggy. Like fried chicken's the worst thing to put in the microwave.
Yeah. You make your own fried chicken?
Yes, I do.
How do you
Do you
make
have
it?
my fried chicken yet?
No. I want to.
Buttermilk. I dip it first in the buttermilk and then in the flour, then back in the buttermilk, and then back on the flour, and then I actually leave it on a pan like a cookie sheet and cover it and leave it sit for about like 10 minutes. After it's breaded, and then fry it, and it comes out pretty good. On the flour, I always season it in oil, in a pan, and I put in with the flour. I like to add like paprika, a little bit of garlic, black pepper, salt, to give it some good flavor. And even in the buttermilk, I'll leave in some black pepper and garlic. And if you don't have buttermilk from the store, you can use buttermilk. If you have whole milk, you add a little bit of vinegar and you can make buttermilk.
How do you make it?
With regular whole milk, and then you add a little bit of buttermilk.
Ah, I never knew that.
Yep, my stepdad. But it's easier to buy it though, because you don't want to. If it's your first time making it, like the first time I made it, I put a bit too much vinegar.
Yeah.
But it's always available at the grocery store.
Did you bubblegum?
I'm almost done with it as well.
Oh wow, that's a big plate too.
Yeah.
That's how good it is.
I know, I'm just eating and I'm not even thinking about it. I'm like, this is okay, even mixed. Everything is good.
Yeah. Sometimes I like to make different things, like Thanksgiving just passed, and with the leftovers, I made a chicken instead of a turkey because I don't want to get so sleepy. But with the leftovers, I made baked mac and cheese. So I put the baked mac and cheese in the bottom of like a casserole. It was like a 2-quart casserole, Pyrex, but it could be whatever size.
That was done. Are you a dinosaur?
These things are so cool.
What's that?
It's like
Okay, let's finish our video now. We can talk.
It has like a storybook. How are you, YouTube viewers?
Yes. You know, I look so huge.
I am like. Oh, maybe because you're sitting more forward,
I don't know.
right?
No, I didn't know I was gonna eat like
the whole plate.
that whole plate, but that was so good I didn't even think about it. And then I was like done with the plate, you know?
Yeah.
Like, before I even
Before
knew it,
you
I'm like,
notice, you look down and it's all gone.
yes.
That makes me feel good though.
Yeah,
It's nice
because
when your cooking's good.
yeah, when you see the person just eating the whole thing, you know?
Because you always think your own cooking's good, but when your kids are going to be used to it, but when your friend really likes it, then you know it's good.
I know. She cooks every day, like home cooked meals too.
Yes, I do. A lot of people don't do that anymore,
No,
especially
they
people
don't.
with kids.
Yeah, they just
Out of the box.
make something that's easy to
quick,
do. Yeah, she has 3 kids. Oh, well, you know,
Well,
living
my
with
oldest
her.
is not with me right now. He's with his father, but 3 with me.
Yeah, so
And
you
I
have
do that
to
every day.
cook.
I mean, there's normally not much. Even if I make a lot and I think I'm making extra between them, me and their father, a lot of times he'll eat dinner and then he'll like eat in the middle of the night, and like sometimes he eats twice in the middle of the night because if it's not like that, these meals I made so much, and by the end of tonight there won't be any left.
That was definitely good though. It's like, you know, like home cooked, and it's just so easy to like eat the whole thing. So thank you.
Thank you for the compliment. You're welcome. And like I said, I'll make you a plate so you can have it for tomorrow.
Oh yeah.
And then your soup, I'm sure you'll enjoy over the next couple of days.
Yes. Yeah.
When it's cold, you know.
Broccoli.
Broccoli cheddar. And I made that from scratch too. I had to cut those the broccoli. I only used the florets, the top part, and I had to cut it so teeny tiny.
Yeah.
You know, because I didn't want big chunks in it. Because I didn't want one of them to choke.
And it's cheese?
Cheddar. I used cheddar, white cheddar, sharp cheddar, medium cheddar, and Colby Jack.
Nice.
And like cream, milk, cream, water too, and only a little bit of seasoning, a little bit of tiny bit of garlic, and a little bit of salt and pepper.
Yeah.
And that was it.
Well, maybe I'll make a video
really
trying that and do like, you know.
2 thumbs up.
Yes. So.
Well, if you like it as much.
Oh, I'm sure I will. Anything home cooked is always good.
Oh, yes.
Better than frozen food and stuff like that.
Always.
So this is nice that Shannon came over. She brought her kids, but she needs a break sometimes from our house. So.
Yes, definitely.
You know, 'cause she's there all the
Being
time.
in the
She
same
just lives
house
down the
all
street
time.
anyways.
It's crazy because we've been friends for what, like 2 years, and
yes.
now we're like right across from each other.
Yeah, now we live right there,
cool.
so it's so easy just to
nice.
not even drive, just walk.
Yeah.
Walk over, you know.
Yep.
So
even when the winter was horrible and we couldn't drive, we could still hang out. I just have to change my clothes when I got here.
Yeah, I know. Yeah.
I was covered in snow. Yeah, that's not a brush.
So her kids are. Oh, I know.
She wants to brush her teeth.
Oh, you want to brush your teeth? Okay.
All right, where's your puppy, honey? Here. Here you go.
Who's this? Oh, this is. I think this is a spam call.
Oh.
One of those spam calls.
Spam.
I thought it might have been Ryan or something. But it's
No.
not Ryan.
I forgot to write down the number for Burger King.
Yeah.
At work later.
What are you doing?
That's
Show it
Enoch
on?
doing the dance.
Doing the dance. The dance. What's the dance?
Say,
Yo,
sing it.
Yeah, look at him.
Push me
Sing.
to sing. Can you sing song? Can we sing it? All my friends are dead.
Oh, that's right. I have that song.
All my friends
I
are
can
dead.
play it. Alright, we're gonna stop this a little bit, but we'll say bye.
Maybe we'll see you later.
Yeah, we'll do a little bit later. Okay, bye. We're back.
Oh,
I don't know what happened. Something
We're
happened.
speaking casserole. Leftover.
Celia touched something. Oh no, picking her nose.
Oh. She's gonna eat her leftovers. But I put on the big macaroni and cheese I made at the bottom of the pan while I greased it first with butter. And then I put on top of that the chicken bits, or if you have turkey, it could be turkey. Then on top of that, a little bit of stuffing that I had left over. Then mashed potatoes, and then the gravy on top, and baked it.
So it was like a casserole?
It was like a casserole. It came out really, really good.
Wow.
It almost looked like a lasagna when it was done, and I cut into it. It was pretty interesting. It was really yummy too. It was a good way to re-eat the same things over again.
Yeah, because a lot of people don't know what to do with their leftovers, you know? Like, other than the hot open turkey.
Yeah, exactly, exactly.
It's like,
so it was almost like a shepherd's pie, but instead,
that sounds good.
you know, I just used all the leftovers from Thanksgiving yesterday.
Oh. They like to sit on laps.
Yes. Sometimes they think people are jungle gyms.
Uh-huh.
But we're people, not jungle.
Wow, I'm almost done with this plate.
You are. It was really
It's so good. It really is.
I just ate some before I came over. I couldn't resist it.
Nice home cooked.
I started packing it up to come here, and I was like, you know what? I have to make a plate.
Oh yeah. Just be
This
careful.
is
Don't
Ina.
walk into the wire because they'll shut it off.
Yeah.
That's like dumb.
What's your name?
Genesis.
Genesis.
Yeah.
And Ina.
And
Where are
Celia,
those from?
Celia.
Let's go see what the baby's doing. Come on, get down. Get down.
Let's play next time.
Where's
What?
Celia? I don't know which one to play. Oh my god, it's delicious meal. I'm so happy that she came over with this food.
Hey, look, this is almost your name, Genesis. Just
Oh yeah, that's right, the Genesis, yeah. Yeah.
Come on, Celia. Look, here's some toys, Celia. Here, go get your toys.
I want Genesis.
All done.
Okay.